everyone, today we are going to talk about the Celestia modular blockchain, and this is a super interesting project. And why do we want to talk about it? Because it all started when I started trading TIA token, which is the native token of Celestia blockchain project. So this price action is really weird to me, at least, because every time we think the price will go up, it actually goes down. So when we long it, I actually have to end up laddering it down a couple of times, which is super annoying. And the price is very interesting because it seems to be immune to random dips in Bitcoin or Ether prices. So I started to wonder why is this so? Is it the project very strong or something? So I started to research more into Celestia. Then I found out that it's actually a very strong and really interesting and kind of new platform. Now, Celestia started its main network on October 31st. Since then, it grew super fast. It has now currently 85 apps and services hosted on the protocol, including big roll-up frameworks like Optimism OP Stack, Arbitrum Orbit, and Polygon CDK. TIA, which is the native token of Celestia, is used by developers for certain tasks in the network. So they can also give it to a validator, and this helps keep the network safe, give people reward, and let the stakers have a say in the decision of the Celestia ecosystem. At first, Celestia made 1 billion TIA tokens. In the first year, there was like 8% more token, and each year this will go down by 10% until it's only 1.5% more each year. Celestia is really special because it separates different parts of the system, which is why we call it modular. This lets developers work more freely. Developers are now not stuck just using one type of smart contract or system, like your EVM, Solana VM, or your Cosmos Wasm VM. So these systems like your EVM, which is Ethereum Virtual Machine, let people make smart contracts and apps in different blockchain spaces. So each system works best for a certain kind of like blockchain. In Celestia, developers can make different kinds of like smart contracts and token. They can work on projects that need to handle a lot of data. And Celestia does keep the data and make decisions, but it does not run the code, which makes it like fit really well into different kinds of blockchain projects. So most importantly, what seems to have contributed to the rapid rise of the TIA native token is the airdrop narrative that comes with the bull market, because fundamentally Celestia simplifies the process for new roll-up to get started. So certain roll-ups are expected to distribute airdrop to tokens to people who hold and stake the TIA token. So tokens from layer 1 and layer 2 projects usually are of higher value or perceived value or prices, and this leads to a developing narrative. Like, okay, if I buy the TIA token and stake it, I'll get airdrop from my layer 1, layer 2 project anyway. So, the value of these airdrops might exceed the value of what I put in the TIA token. So this seems to be why it contributes to the demand of TIA native token, which contributes to what we see as a gradual but rapid rise in the price. So both projects are super interesting because I haven't heard of any blockchain project like Celestia, which is like modular. So I'll be monitoring the process really closely. And TIA is like still very random to me, but I think it's tradable, so I'll continue to trade it. So if you want more information about TIA native token or your Celestia project, please feel free to follow IKIGUIDE, and I will be sharing more there. So I'll see you in the next video.